So I got into my car and it's not wanting to start. Basically, you turn it on and it does this. But nothing happens. So it's probably one of two things. It could either be my spark plugs or I have a bad starter. So I'm going to try to fix it and show you how to do it. We're going to take something metal and I'm going to hit the starter with it, and I'm going to keep the key in the on position, and then well, it's usually easier if you have somebody else with you to help you do it. But if not, you want to just keep the key on in the on position, and then once you tap the starter on the metal piece, you want to be careful not to hit the electrical, and then it should start. So I'll be right back and I'll show you how to do it. So the starter is going to be in between the engine, and normally between the engine and the battery there's like usually like a black box right there, and you'll see like the transmission dipstick that usually the starter will fit right underneath there. You want to make sure too that you have a hammer or something metal, and you want to hit the starter, but make sure that you don't hit any of the electrical components, because that could mess it up even worse if it's not bad already. But usually what you do is you hit the metal part and you hit it pretty hard, and then you know, normally if you have somebody with you it's better that way, because then they can try to start it. But I just keep the key in the start position, and then I hit it, and then I try to run to it and start it real quick. Normally that'll get you where you're going if you're stuck somewhere, if your starter's still got some life in it. But let me show you how to do this. So hold on one moment. And I recommend getting one of these cool pen lights from Walmart. They are pretty rad. They're magnetic and they stick to your car so that you can see what you're doing. So I'll show you what to do here in a second. So here it is. This is my Lexus. It's a 94 Lexus ES300, and basically see what I'm talking about. So here's the engine, here's the battery, and so there is the dipstick. Starter is going to be like right down there, right back here. So I'm going to hit it. And we'll see what happens. No go. So basically, I don't think my starter is good. The car was not doing so well starting for probably like past 6 months, and then I also just replaced my alternator and my battery. It could be like my cable, you know, I had to replace the cables. Those could not be set up properly. I know that my battery light was coming on yesterday, and so you know, I tightened it up, but that's another video. Anyway, that is exactly what to do, though. If you're ever in a situation, I wish I could have showed you that it started, but that's normally what you do is you just hit it real hard, and then you just try to start it so that you can at least get to your destination. Excuse me, if you're ever stranded. So anyway, my name is Lindy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully next time I can show you something that will actually work. And to those of you that have a lemon, I feel really sorry for you, and I wish you the best. And definitely get some roadside, man. That shit will save your ass. So, like, I'm gonna have to right now. Anyway, thank you. If you liked this video, please like my channel and subscribe, and I will have way more videos coming out, because literally my car breaks down on me every day. So until I get some money to get a new one, I'm stuck with this piece. So anyway, peace out, and hopefully nobody's stranded. Have a good night.